Keep going,
That's
Sam.
it. Now push it away from you.
Can you pick it up, Sam?
Well, that's enough. Bring that to yourself. Ain't this way, Sam. Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Push
Get
that
back down
down.
where it touches the ground. Get ready to stop. Stop. A little more. That's it. Okay. Right. Now bring this tree straight back. Away. Bring this tree.
Where's the finger for?
Straight back. See, if you come out, Frankie, we'll work it.
Working for what?
Well, not the back though.